50k peaceable components. Yeah, that's right. We are gonna see the every parts that can make up a 50k editing gaming streaming beast PC. After having a look at it, that means every detail. We are gonna see the checklist and its prices at the end, which may compromise your mind. If you didn't watch the Unlock Gaming Editing Streaming PC video, roll your eyes up. The link is at the top. So, let's not wait and get right into the video. Like all the time, we're gonna use the same PC cabinet Zebronics Zeb Cronus Premium. It has got 4 RGB cooling fans and has tempered glass finish all over. The PSU is top mounted, which may save you up some space. Even if this is a cheap cabinet, this does not rust or have poor build quality. It is more worth than the costly cabinets also. The cable management is very good at the back, and overall, this cabinet gives you a good gaming and professional experience, and it is also a space saver. For PSU, which is power supply unit, we are gonna use Gigabyte GP P550B 80 Plus bronze power supply. 80 Plus bronze certified ensures to deliver 85% efficiency at 50% load. The better power efficiency leads to less power waste, less heat and less fan noise. It has 100% Japanese capacitors. Then it has a reliable flat cable, and finally it supplies 500 watts of power, and that is more than enough for our PC. There will be no parts running together without a motherboard, and that is MSI H310 Pro M2 Plus MATX motherboard. This motherboard only supports 8th and 9th gen Intel Core processor, which we are going to be using. It has 2 memory slots, which is enough for us, and it has DDR4 boost, which is advanced technology to deliver pure data signals for the best gaming performance and stability. It has M.2 slot and supports NVMe cards. Its special features are audio boost, which will reward you with a studio grade sound quality, and has X-Boost, which is a software that auto detects and allows you to boost the performance of any storage, Optane or USB device. The CPU, which is a main unit in this PC, that is Intel Core i5 9400F 9th gen processor, which has 6 cores and 6 threads, that has a base clock of 2.9 GHz and has 4.1 GHz speed in turbo boost. It has a TDP of 65 watts power and support for up to 128 gigs of memory. It needs discrete graphics card to run because it is only focused on cores and threads, and also we are gonna have a separate GPU in this PC. This CPU is very effective in video editing and gaming. You can easily have a speed of 3.9 GHz in each core. Finally, this is the proper and best CPU for this PC. For storage, we are gonna use the Western Digital Blue SN550 500GB NVMe internal SSD, that is 10 times faster than HDD storage and 4 times faster than SATA SSD storage disk. This can get your PC boot up within seconds and runs programs and games fast without any lag. It has 2400 Mbps speed for reading and 1750 Mbps for writing. It also has 5 years warranty. Finally, this next gen NVMe SSD takes care of your PC's health and optimizes it. For RAM, we're gonna use Ballistics Crucial RGB 3000 MHz DDR4 DRAM desktop memory gaming kit 16GB, which has 2 8GB RAM sticks. It is ideal for gaming and performance enthusiasts, and also you can customize your color scheme with 16GB RGB LEDs in 8 zones on each module, which gives you a raging experience. It is compatible with a motherboard and can overclock automatically. We came to the last part, that is the GPU, which is Zotac GeForce GTX 1660 6GB GDDR5. The GTX 1660 twin fan comes with 1408 CUDA cores and operates across a 192-bit wide bus interface at speeds of 8 Gbps. It also supports engine boost speeds up to 1785 MHz. It is HDCP compliant and you can connect multiple displays up to 4 simultaneously. The super compact GTX 1660 fan tune fan is equipped with 5-star utility which fine-tunes GPU's clock frequency, memory clock, voltage and power to boost performance beyond factory settings. Every parts and details I have mentioned is made from quality brand companies and heard from experts. These stuffs can be pretty big claims to your ears, but you get to know its performance when you use it. Every stuff has better build quality and more years of warranty. You can improve your PC after years if you want to develop it according to the time and new components release. To see that, you have to stay subscribed in my channel. So, let's not wait and get right into the checklist. Zebronics Zeb Cronus Premium Gaming Cabinet costs 2,369 rupees. Gigabyte GP P550B 80 plus bronze 500 watts power supply costs 3,770 rupees. MSI S310 Pro M2 Plus M8X motherboard costs 5,390 rupees. Intel Core i5 9400F 9th Gen processor costs 10,499 rupees. Western Digital Blue SN550 500GB NVMe SSD costs 5,481 rupees. Ballistics Crucial RGB 3000 MHz DDR4 DRAM 16GB which is 2 sticks that cost 6,848 rupees. Zotac GeForce GTX 1666GB GDDR5 GPU costs 17,772 rupees, which gives you a total price of 52,129 rupees, and that is approx 50k rupees. I will leave the buying links in the description below. Make sure to check that. It seems that we have come to an end. So, if you find this video interesting, hit the like button and share it to your friends. Then comment if you have any. Finally, a sub to the channel will be marvelous. This is Aakhash. See you on the next video.
Yo. Back at you.